Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about converting your two-seater to an O-320 and what are you going to do about baffling to keep your engine cool. Let's talk about that now and have some fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Because we're dealing with a two-seater, you can't call up Airforms in Alaska and say, I need a baffle set for the two-seater, but I want it to hold an O-320. They don't do that. They don't even carry the stock baffles for your O-235. So one option you have is to go to the RV group and get an RV6 O-320 baffle kit. Now, here's a kit I bought for Luann Janke back in the day when we were going to convert it to an O-320, but we ended up going with the O-235 J2A 125 horsepower conversion. But in the baffle kit, like here you see, there's that brown paper bag which has a lot of load spreading washers and angle iron brackets. You get a manila folder that has a parts list, instruction list, as well as those two cutout pieces of metal, the bigger one for cutting additional pieces and the other one to go on the back firewall. And then you have all the baffle seal and the angle iron for going to make up the corners, as well as some pitot tubing and a paper bag filled with hardware which has all your pop rivets, squeezable rivets, specialized hardware that you need for baffles on the cylinders, and that all comes with the kit. And again, this is from the RV group, and this is the RV6 O-320 kit. Now again, this kit was bought in 2007. It's gone up about $130 since then. It's $380 today. But the nice thing about these kits, it gives you all these curved pieces to go under the cylinders. It makes up the baffle seal so you can trim them down for your cowling, and then you can put the baffle seal on them. And the nice thing is with this kit, about 85% of your baffling issues are going to be solved with this kit. And I mean, considering you buy the kit for $400, that's 4 shop hours. It probably takes that to make just 2 of those baffle pieces that you have in there. So it's well worthwhile to buy these laser cut CNC baffle sets from the RV group and use them to baffle your O-320 and your Grumman two-seater. You will be miles and miles ahead as you save on labor with all of that as well. So it's a good solution if you're looking at it. I mean, you always have the option of trying to buy some baffles from Fletch Air that came off of a Cheetah or something with an O-320. You can try making them all yourselves. If you've got a shop monkey who's learning sheet metal, knock your lights out and turn him loose. But I think that you will find that in the grand scheme of things, the $400 plus the shipping you get for these parts from the RV group is well worth every penny you pay for it. I actually had this. We didn't convert Luann's airplane, as I said earlier, but we are going to be selling this kit to somebody. So for those of you who have two-seaters again that are thinking about the O-320 conversion, this is not the O-290 or any of the O-235 variants, the L2C or the J2A. This is purely for the O-320. Most specifically, probably most people are going to have an E2G or some variant of that. So buy the baffle seal kit. It again comes from the RV group. The GPA makes no money on this. We're just passing this information along to you. So for those of you who are thinking, I hope this was enough useful information to help you keep your engine cool as you go through the conversion process and save some time and money. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So here are the cute kittens all being quiet on the sofa on this nice cold day. Thought you'd enjoy it. So take a look at these little beauties. They're 8 and 10 months old each.